It's here. My magic post. My Frederical delivery. Ooh. Okay, wait, I'm gonna read. Okay. This first. No stuff's inside. Ooh. Very big. Very big. Envelope. Ooh. Can put my picture in it. Oh, cool. It's fill-inable. That's so neat. Okay. Last thing. Ooh, a schedule. I like that these are all fill in yourself sort of deal. Okay, wait, I'm gonna read this because this is so neat. It's like fully doodled. I tried on the gloves and my fingers only come to like halfway. My pinky doesn't even reach this line. And my fingers are like not even making it. But that's cool. I have herbology gloves now. That's so cool. Okay. I'm Slytherin, so what is this? Hee. What? What is this? Okay. Whoa. It's the chamber door from Chamber of Secrets. Okay, can I take it out? And take it out. That's so sick. It's a piggy bank. Everything is protected in there. Right. We'll do this one. Oh, it's hit. Okay, so this. Let's see. Hufflepuff, Ravenclaw, Slytherin, Gryffindor, is it the wrong side? This is a potion. I think it's a potion. Wit and strength potion. That doesn't seem like a Gryffindor. It's a Ravenclaw. Okay, so my camera wouldn't record, but I'm pretty sure that this is the Potter Collector, dressed as Albus Dumbledore, in a headmaster's portrait, which is super fun. I'm going to add it to my Hogwarts bag. And this is the award that Tom Riddle got for special services to the school for closing the Chamber of Secrets. I think there's a lot in this box. Okay, what's this one? I haven't pulled any Gryffindor yet. So maybe Gryffindor, the Quidditch box? I love this. That's really cool. Oh, what's this? It's 2 quaffles and 2 plastic rubber rings. I think the rubber rings sit on that. Or I mean, the quaffles sit on that. I'm not sure what. Okay, so I'm not sure what the quaffles are. I'm gonna look at the cheat sheet in the bottom later. Ooh, pin. Ooh, pin. I got a Gryffindor. Finally. Persevero. Collegendus. Persevere. Collecting. Keep collecting. That's really cute. I like this a lot. It's kind of big. I wonder if it'll fit on my bag. That feels big. What is this? It's the Sword of Gryffindor. As a pen! That's super fun. That's all. It's really nice. Okay. Let's see. Oh! Rope? Envelopes? I love that everything is individually packaged. That's pretty awesome, especially nowadays. But at the same time, I can't open it on camera because I only have one hand. Okay, I got it open. Envelopes for Slytherin robes, letters, Hufflepuff robe letters, Gryffindor robe letters, and Ravenclaw robe letters. Ooh! Blue and bronze. That's so neat. And then it like has the hood on the back. And then I don't want to fold it, but if you fold it, there's the collar. That's awesome. That's so cool. Okay, there's nothing else in the box except the cheat sheet. And just for the record, everything has gone back into its protective casing until I decide that I want to use it. So let's see. Sword, pen, Medal of Chivalry, pin, dragon hide gloves. What? Bounding balls? What's bounding balls? School documents. Wit strengthening potion. Service award coin bank. And then greeting cards and headmaster pin. Is it? Yeah, it is. It's a portrait of Peter. That's awesome. I love that so much. That's so cool. It has the character traits. So I took them out, and they're actually pledgers. And they're the ones that you have to not clink together. My left hand's not as good as my right hand is. Ow. But they're for patience and meditation. And that's really, really cool. I have to not clink them together.